Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Isa Valderrama, 34 years old, single, but I have a living partner with 2 kids. I am a college graduate, but had experience being a housemaid for 3 years and 6 months finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities before is maintaining the cleanliness and tidiness of the room and the house, cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing the dishes, and laundry.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
Taking a baby and elderly requires full attention and details, patience, and attitude.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I can do multitasking and cook Filipino dishes.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
First and foremost, you need to be a God-fearing, honest, and hardworking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise to finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.